Hi, it's these two products again.
Hi, we're the Tech Family. Hi, we're the Tech Family, UK.
Hi guys, this is Michelle from the Tech Family, and as you saw in one of our earlier videos, we did a video on the Nuki Smart Lock. And I did promise, and you know, I'm an honest girl, I'm a girl of my word, that I would show you how we fitted the smart lock and how quick it is to do and how easy it is to do. So I'm going to demonstrate that in this video today, as well as giving you a couple of features of it that I didn't quite explain in the last video. So stay tuned and just keep on watching. So today we're going to demonstrate, as I promised, how to actually fit the lock, as is beautifully demonstrated by Maya from Tech Family UK. So in relation to the cylinder lock itself, like I said before, we had to fit a separate cylinder lock so that it enables us to be able to unlock the door from the outside, because as you'll probably begin to realize, you need to insert another key on the inside of the lock, which means that you are unable to lock it on the outside if you've not got a emergency function lock. So let me demonstrate to you right now how to fit the A plate. So as you can see, I'm going to place the A plate within the lock itself. Apply a bit of pressure to make sure that the lock is, or the plate rather, is in place of the lock. Now, all I need to do is make sure that I screw the 3 screws here, which is in the plate, in place to secure the actual plate within the lock itself, as so. So you're quite equal pressure to all 3. As you can see, that is very, very secure. That is not coming off, guys. So there is the A plate which I've used. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to actually fit the Nuki lock attachment to the plate. But before I do that, we need to attach the key. With the key in, now I'm going to attach the actual compartment onto this. Just to let you know, underneath this are batteries. Now these batteries can be any batteries. At the moment we've got some Duracells. You can add rechargeable batteries or lithium batteries as well, which will last a lot longer. But in terms of the, or 3 times longer, but in terms of the lifespan of normal Duracell batteries, these batteries last about 6 months or thereabouts, depending on usage. So yeah, and at the same time, The actual app will notify you when your batteries are low, so you can't go wrong. And plus there is that manual, because of the change of the cylinder lock, there is a way to manually override that lock if you kind of forget to actually change the actual batteries. So I'm now going to insert the batteries in as so, and as you can see, the light is showing to demonstrate that it is working. The app itself will guide you through what you need to do to sync your lock up to the actual mechanism itself, as well as to sync it up to your phone. So you can control it in whichever way you want to. You can set auto lock using geofence, which I mentioned in the earlier video. You know, if you have a bridge as well, which I'm going to show you in a second, you can lock and unlock it from basically from anywhere. You really cannot go wrong with this product. In terms of this product, you can see it's locked because we've already set it up that way. You can tell it's locked because this LED is not lit up. But if I was to press the button, you can see it's unlocked, and I'm able to lock and unlock the door at my will. So as you can hear, that is the Google Home and the Google Mini declaring, I hope you could hear that Layla is at the front door. So I am now going to unlock the door using my phone. So as you can see, the door is currently locked, and the reason why I know that is because there are no LEDs showing on the dial. So Maya, if you touch the handle, you can demonstrate that the door is actually locked. Yeah. So in order to unlock the door manually, you would need to turn the silver knob to your left. So keep going until you hear the click, and then the door should be unlocked. So if you were to press down, the door is unlocked. So open it just so they know. Open it just so they know. There you go. Close, handle lock. To lock it again, all Maya needs to do is turn it now to her right, clockwise. To her right. Okay. And as you can see, the LED is lit up the whole way round, which shows that the door is actually locked. So one way to unlock the door without having to use your phone or anything like that, when you're inside the house, is to press the button. So Maya, demonstrate by pressing the button once. As you can see, the light's showing and glowing to show that the door is unlocked. So to my extra item, the Nuki bridge. This is the Nuki bridge. It might not look as much, but it's quite a powerful instrument because this not only links to my Wi-Fi upstairs and the router, it also links to the actual smart lock itself, and it enables me to lock and unlock the door remotely. It is pretty much a brilliant product. There's nothing more I can say other than it links up, and I mentioned everything that I needed to mention in the previous video. Oh, I forgot to mention, you actually need to connect the bridge to the smart lock, but the actual app itself, you need to kind of click on manage bridge and it will guide you through all you need to do to connect the bridge to the smart lock and from the bridge to your router. Tech Family UK have rated this product, and here are our ratings. So I have given it a 9.5 out of 10. And the reason why I've given it a 9.5 out of 10, and it's just kind of shy, is that there's always room for improvement with any product. But in terms of the app is very quick, as in terms of access. It is a fantastic product. It works exactly as I want it to work. It is fantastic. I can't even think of any major flaws with it, hence the 9.5 rating. So Layla, what do you rate it?
I rate it a big, fat, juicy 10.
Right. Why?
Because it's beautiful, it's useful, and obviously it's the best. I don't even have to use a key. I can use my phone, my hand, just a finger.
No, you can't. Well, you can use your finger to swipe left and swipe right to get into it. But yeah, you're right. And you can actually press the button as well on the inside to lock and unlock the button. So yeah, okay, I'll accept that. And Maya?
I have given this product a big 10 because if I lose my key, I can just always get my phone. No need to replace my locks, and yeah, very easy.
Because you've got the app as well on your phone, so it allows her to access the lock when we're not around, and if there are any problems, she can call us and we can unlock the door or lock the door from, remotely from different locations. So yes, that is our rating, and this is the ultimate rating out of 30. And drum roll, we have rated this product as a 29.5 out of 30, which means it's a very, very, very good product. You can't go wrong with it. So if you're interested, check the links below and subscribe, share,
And comment down below if you like it.
and like it. All right, thanks everyone.